everyone. So today I'm going to do a book review, and the book I'm going to review is called Not Even Bone by Rebecca, I think her last name is called Schaeffer. So this book talks about a girl named Nita, and she dissects unnaturals. She kind of doesn't question it a little bit, although she has like a conscious mind saying this is a little bit bad, but I'm not the one who kills them, so it's fine. And it's such an odd story because I feel like she is a criminal here. But here, let me explain to you guys the backstory. Her mom kills unnaturals and Nita dissects them. And one day her mom brought a living unnatural, which I don't remember what he was actually. And Nita does not want to kill him, but her mom forces her to, and she tells her, I want you to cut off his ear. She doesn't. The following day, she sets him free. And after that, her mom is mad for obvious reasons because she's the one who sells them. Soon after she sets him free, her mom and her start leaving town, but people who work at the black market takes her, and now she's the one being sold, and she ends up in this island that's really difficult to escape. And also because she's in the cage, she tries to find ways to escape. And along the line, she meets several other creatures. She's one of the rarest people on the planet because she can heal herself and she could turn off her pain. Not everyone knows about this unnatural creature, and she knows that she's very rare, and she's never met anyone that had the same gift, the same powers that she had. This story is really interesting because I've never read a main character dissect mystical creatures. Like if she dissect like real people, I would kind of be like, I don't care, but they add creatures here as well, and there are creatures named Zannies that they feed off of pain, and she can heal herself or she can turn off her pain, and there's a lot of mythical creature. Oh, and there's also unicorns here, and it's sad because a lot of them mention unicorn dust, and it's because they kill off unicorns and they use that as a drug. And this book, it's really interesting because it's a different take on the main character, because she tries to find what's right and what's wrong, and because she kept like telling herself, no, I'm not the one killing these unnaturals, I'm just dissecting them, it's okay. And throughout the story, she starts to think, maybe I am a monster like them. I strongly recommend you guys reading this book because it's so interesting. And in the back, I've never actually read or seen this show. They compare it to Dexter. It says Dexter meets The Savage Song in a dark fantasy. But oh, it's a trilogy, did not know that. It is a dark fantasy. I promise you guys, this book will not bore you. It'll keep you like up on your toes. What is that? I promise you guys, this book will not bore you guys. It's a really interesting take on the main character. I just like this story a lot because I haven't read anything like this. I normally go towards fantasy, which this is, but this is very dark, and I love that. What I found interesting is that every time she would get nervous or scared, she would mention, oh, I wish I was at my lab dissecting something, because that's when she got calm. That's when she was calm, and when she was dissecting other monsters. And I just found that very weird. I just found that strange that her dissecting other beings calms her down. But I guess it's because she's used to it, and that's her safety zone, I guess. I don't know. I strongly recommend you guys reading this dark fantasy story. It'll captivate you guys, and it's something I haven't read before and I haven't seen either. So that is it for this book review. I hope you guys enjoyed, and leave me in the comments down below what other videos you guys want me to film. Please like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone!